Hello subscribers, I am from Rush. Today I am want talking about I am have got on my birthday 9 November visits my dad make my second new phone. It's my new telephone and I on want what we watch on my new second phone how he it's work. It's my apps in my new second telephone and it's app who is I am want installing in my telephone and it's my apps on my second phone new